Welcome, today I'm showing how to change icon shape into OPPO A54s. First of all, open Play Store and find X icon changer application. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now tap open. Now from the list choose your application. Maybe YouTube will be nice. So now from the library choose your icon. Maybe here something in this. Okay, like this. So then when you choose your icon, in the top right corner we got OK button. Press it and wait a second for generating. Then need close ads a few times maybe. And now we got add home to home screen, press add and got success message. So go to our home screen and find our new icon of our YouTube here. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.